baby?
Fix it.
Get it, Jay. Come on, get the cushion.
Get the cushion. Go fix the cushion. You got it, honey. You got it. There we go.
Come on.
Fix it.
Cool, go put it in the chair.
No.
Put it.
In the chair.
Fix it, right? But hey, here. Fix it. Go again, man. Oh, you was carry up. I don't sorry, Daddy.
Jason. Jason.
Fix it.
Jason. Come back here.
Jason, come.
Jason, come here, baby. Come. Auntie Diane wants you to fix the cushion, okay? Come. Fix the cushion, okay? Look. Get the cushion in the chair. There we go. Good boy. Come on, fix it. Wait. He got it. Leave him.
He's gonna climb.
Jason, put the cushion in the chair.
No, you're going in there. You can fix it up in there, right?
Jason, come. Look.
Look.
Fix
Put
the
this
cushion
in
in the
here.
chair.
Put that there. Come. Get up.
Oh, you tired or what? Yeah.
This what? Fix it, baby. Jason, come on, put the cushion in the chair.
He takes his position, that's it?
Jason,
No, don't go.
come.
Take him out and let him put it in. Come.
No.
Put this in here. Put this in here.
You were doing a really good job before.
Well, he's tired of this?
I saw to them and
You tired of it?